leaking faucet here, which indicates that the valve, mixing valve, is going bad, letting water through. It's dripping pretty constant, so turn it on, and it just okay, so we got that. All right, well, I can't get the handle off. This little thing is stripped out. It won't come out. So, now in order to do this, we have to probably cut this handle off. And hopefully I can find a handle that fits it. Otherwise, we're going to change the whole mixer out. In which case, now, with all that, we have to cut all this out and put a new mixer in. So that would be a lot of fun. You got pipes that are bent, all kind of directions. They're not straight. It's a lot of problems with trying to change it out. A lot of corrosion on these pipes due to them not being grounded. Okay, well, so we're gonna do 90s, straights, copper pipe, mixer.